In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock column width in Excel. If you've ever spent time getting your columns looking just right, only to have them shift when someone drags a border or pastes new data, this will save you a lot of frustration. The key idea is that Excel only enforces restrictions like fixed column widths when a sheet is protected. So we'll set the widths you want, then protect the sheet in a way that blocks resizing while still letting people edit the cells they need. Start by opening your worksheet and setting the column widths exactly how you want them. You can drag the borders to adjust them. Double-click to auto-fit based on content, or use a specific number in the column width dialog. Take a moment to scan your sheet and confirm the layout feels right before you lock it down. Next, think about which cells users should still be able to edit. By default, every cell in Excel is marked as locked, but that setting only takes effect when protection is turned on. If you want certain input areas to remain editable, select those cells. Open Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, and clear the locked checkbox. This step ensures people can type where they need to after protection is enabled. Now, go to the Review tab and choose Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog, you'll see a list of actions users are allowed to perform. Make sure the option to format columns is not allowed. Leaving that unchecked prevents anyone from changing column widths. If you also want to stop changes to row heights, leave Format Rows not allowed as well. You can set a password if you want extra control. That's optional, but if you use one, store it safely because you'll need it to unprotect the sheet later. Click OK to apply the protection. At this point, try dragging a column boundary. You should see that Excel blocks the change, keeping your layout intact. Users will still be able to type in any cells you unlocked earlier, but the column widths won't budge. If you need to tweak the layout in the future, return to the Review tab. Unprotect the sheet, make your adjustments, and then protect it again using the same settings. Note that protecting the workbook structure is different. It stops adding or moving sheets, but it doesn't lock column widths. Also, features like freeze panes only affect scrolling, not sizing. That's it. With your column widths set and sheet protection configured, your layout stays consistent and professional, no matter who edits the file.